In the previous panel, it was mentioned that perhaps science is not the way to answer all questions. Maybe that would be scientism, but the methods and tools certainly have demonstrated themselves as being the most successful way to come to understand reality there ever was. But there's an aspect of science that went uncommented upon, which may be its most fundamental, and that is its capacity, without equal, to remove as far as possible our own urges to delude ourselves. That is the fundamental element of a scientific process. It is the tacit recognition that we are faulty, our five senses are faulty data-taking devices, and they need help. And so while you can never fully divorce the read of the experiment from your senses, what you can do is sort of narrow the likelihood that your senses have interfered with your interpretation until you sort of asymptotically hit some level where you then step back and say, that's reality. And so the value of science is not simply what next model of iPod you will buy next week. Its real value comes about when it's time to distinguish reality from everything else. And to be scientifically literate is to be trained in what it is to recognize your own frailty as a data-taking, data-interpreting device. So science's value goes far beyond just the technologies that make life better. They transfer into other walks of life when it's time to assess what is right and what is not, to make informed decisions about your life, about the lives of others, loved ones, and even the geopolitics of what it is to conduct life in the world today.